Hi everyone, my name is John Morgan. I'm a full-time futures, Forex, and cryptocurrency trader, and I'm one of the educators here at Forex Lens. If you're watching this video, it means that you're probably a little interested in Forex and Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies, or perhaps you're wondering if this kind of service is something that will help you out. Or maybe you're just a trader who is struggling to stay profitable or even attain a profit. Those are some of the single biggest problems traders have. I feel like you've come to the right place, especially if you've decided to go on the path of trying to become a successful trader. I want to be a part of that process to help guide you each step of the way. Each day I'll be live with you, breaking down the charts and analyzing the Forex markets. We'll also be covering Bitcoin and other big cryptos in the new year. We believe that 2018 will be a huge year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and I want to show you how you can take a part of that for yourself. Our service caters really to people of all backgrounds and experiences. If you're a beginner, you will see firsthand how I break down the charts and trade the markets. If you're intermediate, hopefully we can transition you from going from inconsistent to consistent in profitability. And if you're an expert, maybe you'll find another tool or approach that you can use in your toolbox of trading. I'll be calling out trades and setups and providing entry ideas for profit targets and stop losses. But most importantly, you'll see why I have that bias, why I'm setting those targets, and eventually, hopefully, you'll be able to capitalize on some of those ideas and learn how to do it yourself without having to have me do it for you. There'll also be a whole bunch of training videos that you can follow and learn from, which are being recorded and will be uploaded into the library. They say, feed a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man a fish, you'll feed him for life. Trading is kind of the same way. I could give you a signal and you could take the signals all day, but learning how to trade is going to be way more beneficial for you in the long run. Hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the trading room.